Welcome back to On the Ways in Canada. For today's video, we were diving into the nitty-gritty of what it takes to apply for a tourist visa to Canada, especially focusing on the documents we submitted for my mother's application. So if you're planning a trip to the Great White North anytime soon, buckle up and take some notes. First up, we have the Letter of Intent or LOI. So itong document na to outlines why you're applying for a tourist visa. Pwedeng for reunification with your family and relatives or exploring Canada's known tourist spots. It must also include the dates kung kailan kayo pupunta and kailan you plan umalis sa Canada or umuwi sa home country. And then, kailangan din i-include dito kung saan kayo mag-stay and yung mga places that you will visit. This letter helps kasi yung consulate or the embassy para aware sila kung ano yung mga plano mo pagpunta mo ng Canada. This document will also serve as their basis if you will become a burden to the government or you will pose danger to people in Canada. Kaya nga marami nagsasabi that LOI is a key to your application to Canada. So, napaka-importante nitong document na to. This is usually a 1 to 2 page letter. So, hindi siya dapat masyadong mahaba or hindi rin ganun kaikli. So, lahat lang ng mga importante yung kailangan mo i-include sa letter na to. And must be addressed to the Embassy of Canada to the Philippines with office address at RCBC Plaza, Ayala Avenue, Makati City, Philippines. So you must sign the letter, then include it in the client information section of the GCKey portal kung saan mo i-upload yung application mo online. Next up is the proof of funds. You have to prove that you can sustain yourself during your stay in Canada. So, pwede kang mag-provide ng bank statement and bank certificate covering yung 6 months period. Watch out for bulk deposits. Deposited amounts equal to or exceeding 50K, kailangan meron kang explanation. Just provide notes, for example, galing to sa bonuses o kaya sa napagbentahang properties. Also, kung meron ka namang ini-expect na money like yung pagbebentahan mo ng bahay or lupa or ng sasakyan, pwede mo rin siyang i-include doon sa proof of funds mo. In addition to that, you may also include your certificate of employment and payslips as proof that you will be receiving a certain amount prior to your date of travel. Kasi kung meron ka pa in-expect na sweldo or bonuses, makakadagdag yun sa proof of funds mo. Please note, hindi ito show money lang. Ito yung funds na gagamitin mo habang nasa Canada ka, so wag mo itong dayain. Sa case ng mother ko, hindi naman siya employed and wala rin siyang enough proof of funds. Dito pumapasok yung mga sponsors. Sponsorship could be through financial, accommodation, daily expenses, or airfare ticket. The documents required for this include the letter of support from the sponsor. So, kailangan sign to ng sponsor mo. Plus the valid ID and passport, certificate of employment, bank records such as bank certificate and bank statement, and other document that can prove that they can support you. Your sponsor could be from anywhere in the world as long as they are capable of funding your travel. If you have family, relatives, or friends inviting you to visit, you may include the letter of invitation. Most of the time, pinag-iisa na lang yung letter of support and letter of invitation. Next is the travel itinerary. You must provide your schedule, desired destinations, and planned accommodation during your stay in Canada. The dates must align with the dates on your letter of intent. Regarding the medical requirement, it is only necessary if you are planning to stay in Canada for more than 6 months. If less than that, you don't need to undergo a medical examination. For personal information, you have to provide PSA birth certificate, PSA marriage certificate if you are married, valid passport, and valid NBI license. Next is the proof of home ties. This is important to strengthen your application for a Canadian visit visa application. Here are the samples for your proof of home ties. Dito, pwede mo i-provide yung birth certificates ng spouse, children, siblings, and parents who are still in the Philippines. Then, pwede mo ding i-add yung photos with your family. Just include the details of photos such as yung date, place, and occasion. You have to prove kasi to the immigration officer that you have strong family ties. Next proof of home ties is your friends. So you can provide photos capturing memorable moments with your friends. So same dun sa family ties, kailangan mo na mag-provide ng pictures with your friends and include the details such as date, place, and occasion. So mas okay kung iba't ibang circle of friends yung ipo-provide mong photos. Next, if you have business, you can add it as home tie. You can include any of the following documents: business permits, TTI permit, proof of tax payments, and annual financial statement or AFS. Then if you are currently employed, you may present certificate of employment, recent pay slips, and approved vacation leave documents. These documents demonstrate your intent to return home after your travel in Canada kasi meron pang nag-aantay sa'yo na trabaho. Another tie to your home country that you can include are your assets, properties, or investments like land, cars, or memorial lot. In this part, you may provide a copy of the land title, cars, ORCR, or deed of sale. Kung meron ka ding mga existing policies including life, travel, and health insurances, pwede mo din siyang isama dito sa proof of home ties. Lastly, you may present your government contributions such as SSS, PhilHealth, and Pag-ibig. Following the proof of home ties is the travel history. You have to provide photos and travel stamps in your passport. This is important dahil dito makikita ni immigration officer yung previous travels mo. Kung wala kang negative record, this demonstrates that your application have a genuine intention for tourism and you will comply to all visa regulations. Other additional requirements are COVID-19 vaccination certificate, biometric test, passport size photos, and application forms.